So let's look at a couple strategies for solving fraction word problems. I'm going to focus right now on a multiplication and division problems, but you can use similar strategies for addition and subtraction. The first strategy is, well, let's look at the problem first. I bought a half gallon of Gatorade for my soccer game. I drank 1/4 of it during halftime. How much of a gallon did I drink? So I can start with the story. And my first strategy I'm going to try is, instead of thinking of it as half a gallon, what if I had 2 gallons? I bought 2 gallons of Gatorade for my soccer game. I drank 1/4 of it during halftime. How much of a gallon did I drink? So now what I can start to think about is, okay, if I have 2 gallons, and if I have 2 gallons and I drank 1/4 of it during halftime, well, that means I really did 2 divided by 4. Well, 4 can't go in, so it's really 2/4 or 1/2. Well, that doesn't actually solve my problem here, but notice 1/4 is divided by 4. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back and I'm going to remove and I'm going to go back to my 1/2. If I had 1/2 of a gallon and I drank 1/4 of it, I'm going to do 1/2 divided by 4. And now I just have to remember my strategy. I'm going to keep, change, and flip. So I'm going to keep 1/2. I'm going to switch it to multiplication, and then I flip my 4/1 to 1/4. So I drank 1/8 of a gallon. That's one strategy for solving it. Now let's look at a second strategy. For my second strategy, I'm going to try to draw a picture of what's going on here. So I know I have half a gallon, but when I'm dealing in fractions, what I really need to be thinking about is I need to be thinking about what my 1/2 is. So this is 1 gallon of Gatorade, but I only have half of it. So I'm going to cut this in half. I don't have this. I only have the top portion. Then it says I drank 1/4 of it, 1/4 of it during halftime. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to split it into fourths. This is what I drank during halftime. How much did I drink? Well, that's the part I drank there. And you can see it's 1 out of 8. 1 out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1/8 of a gallon. And if we think about what we just demonstrated, if we look at our multiplication, we really just did 1/2 times the 1/4, or 1/4 of 1/2. So 1/8.